cheese one time. Oh look, just as we talked, we get these good little flavored yogurt drinks at the end. The service never stops. It's so good. But we'll get to this in a minute. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Let's Eat. I'm your host, Danny.
And I'm your host, Teresa.
And today we're here to try the dish,
which is self-proclaimed the best Korean food in town.
Yeah, but we're kind of tired of eating alone. Or not really alone, but
yeah, so we decided to invite one of our old high school friends out to join us and try this place with us. So, introducing Bibi!
Hey guys! What's up, guys?
What's up?
Well, today we want to try this best Korean food in town, or so they say, and we'd like you to help.
Okay, let's eat.
All right,
I'm ready to eat.
let's go.
Right, so let's eat. So we're here at the dish. The best Korean food in town. We'll find that out as we go. We started with cheese wontons. The lady recommended, said it was look good. And then I ordered Korean style chicken, so we can see how different it is from regular chicken. What'd you guys get?
I don't remember. I had some kind of bibimbap, like a different style of bibimbap. I don't know. I'm kind of used to eating bibimbap, so let's see how good it is compared to the other places.
Oh, I ordered the squid thing.
The spicy,
super spicy
squid.
Yeah.
It says the hottest thing here. Okay, what you see here is the cheese wontons.
The Lucky
Pockets. The menu name, Lucky Pockets, if you ever come here. It came with what? 8 wontons. This is a good enough size for an appetizer. And what looks to be like a sweet chili dipping sauce on the side.
Yeah, sweet chili.
Sweet chili.
This is the peach flavored soju. I'm guessing this is my first time having this. So let's see.
You want to take the first sip?
Yeah, we do it together.
And now,
We just do it together.
Oh my God, I'm gonna die.
I don't know what no kind
I'm
of cheers.
hungry.
We just say let's eat.
oh hell.
That's delicious.
That's
I'll
pretty
finish that
good.
later.
Can I do my hand? Use my hand.
Go ahead.
Hey. I like smell my food. The crunchiness of the outside really mixes well with the cream cheese. It's like a perfect amount of cream cheese. Sorry, I'm still eating.
Yeah, it's like cream cheese. It's like fully coats the inside of your mouth after you get through the crispy shell. It takes a little bit to get down.
It's a perfect amount though. It's not too overwhelming with the cream cheese. And then pair it with the sweet chili sauce. I like it.
So what do we have here, Teresa?
I don't remember what it's called. It was, we'll put the description in the,
Yeah, it's some kind of
down
really
below.
spicy squid.
yes, it is a very spicy squid dish.
It says the spiciest thing on their menu.
I'm just gonna get a little bit of it because I can't eat too spicy, so you guys are gonna have to enjoy this one more than I can.
Get an onion.
So, I think right off the bat, it smells like sesame oil,
Yeah.
like spicy sesame oil.
Oh yeah, it's spicy. But it's really good. The flavor is really good.
Really light. All this flavor so far is really light. But then like added together, it's
Nice compliment to whatever course you have.
Alright, so what we have is, I think it's pronounced galbi bibimbap. So it occurs to have fresh vegetables, carrots, red cabbage, we got bean sprouts, green peppers, red peppers, and a regular cabbage. At the very bottom is some rice, white rice. So what you do is you get their house red pepper sauce. And of course it's a little bit spicy, so you sprinkle at your own discretion, you know, however much you think you can handle. So I'm just gonna do it just like that. just in case. And then you just mix it together like a salad.
Oh. I've been eating kimbaps wrong my whole life.
So right off the bat, I can already tell that this is
One of our healthier dishes.
yeah, definitely a healthier dish because of all these like raw vegetables in there. So for you guys that want to try Korean food but without the heavy sauces and stuff like that, this would be your go-to dish. I like spicy, so I'm gonna have more spicy. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
The bulgogi is tender. The flavor of the bulgogi is not too overwhelming for the entire dish.
Plus all the other dishes, all the vegetables stuff are a little more firm.
Yeah.
So it gives like a mixture of textures in there.
A crunchiness and softness
Yeah.
at the same time. Yeah.
But like no one flavor is too overwhelming. So like it's a good mix of everything.
This is the dish I ordered. Korean fried chicken. I wanted to see what's the difference, between just regular fried chicken and Korean fried chicken. So we ordered it, but it also came with this side of corn, cabbage, and dressing with like 1,000 items. So
Is the chicken moist?
oh, it's moist. The chicken, I feel like the chicken is probably the best dish perfectly for the sides to complement it how you want it, because it's just like chicken. But probably pairing it up with whatever side you prefer, or in the salad. I didn't try that. Oh yeah.
It's good?
Yeah. This is the marinated beef dish that we ordered.
Galbi?
Yeah, galbi. It's one of the highest things on their menu, and it's highly recommended. It's very popular, so I think y'all should try it at the same time. Just grab one.
Yeah.
Did it? I love onions, so I'm gonna grab an onion.
Oh yeah, I should probably grab an onion with it too. Ooh.
And then
Really good, huh?
It's sweet.
Yeah.
But it's cooked so well. I don't
Yeah, I
know.
know. Hold on, I gotta gather my words.
Yeah.
very tender.
Yeah.
Has a very good smoky flavor. Sweet.
It's like eating little, what are these, beef bombs of flavor? You're like,
It's like short rib without
Yeah.
the bones. So it's
You grab
only
it.
the meaty part.
and then when you bite into it, it's just boom, all that flavor, and it's really good. Like really good.
That's actually really good. Appetizer, I would say 5 out of 5 stars for the appetizer, because all of the Rangoons that I have tried, and I eat a lot of Chinese food, you know, the ones at the mall, like other Chinese restaurants, were always so greasy. And the balance of cream cheese versus the wrap, the wonton that they actually fried in, it's not a good balance, but this one's almost perfect.
As my friend said, it was just like the perfect amount of cream cheese, crispy wonton. It wasn't too greasy. If there was crab meat in there, that'd be even better. But like by itself, like I would keep eating it. So I would rate that 5 out of 5.
Appetizer was good. The cheese wontons were great, crispy. Like you bite into it, you can feel the crunch of everybody's, and then it just fills your mouth with this cream cheese, like a good balance. Like they said, not too greasy. It's really good. So I give that like I give it a 4.5 out of 5.
This was obviously my favorite dish because I finished the entire thing. On a scale of 5 stars, I would say it's like a 4.5 out of 5. I can't even tell what's missing from it.
I would give that a 4 out of 5. Not because it's bad or anything, but it's just I'm a spicy, saucy, meaty, like that's my thing right there. I want my food to be like full of punch and stuff like that. So the bibimbap, really good salad.
The kimbimbap, that dish. It was different from the rest. How the others were strong and like punching. This was like a nice mixture of cold vegetables and good meat. It was really good. I give that one a 4.5.
The spicy squid, I like it a lot. So 4.5 out of 5.
It was good, man. Yeah. It was like a nice mix of spice, but not too overbearing. But it does hit you out. Hey, back over here. I don't know. But it does hit you after, you know, a bit of a. So I give that dish a 4.5 out of 5 as well.
If it was a little bit less spicy, then it'll be more enjoyable for me. I would say that would be a 4 out of 5 as well.
Korean fried chicken wasn't bad by any means. Like, it wasn't bad. It just, compared to all the other flavors, it didn't live up to like heavyweights. It's like welterweight while they're heavyweight, because it's still Korean. It's still fried chicken. You know, we have that not every day, but we have it often. But it was still really good fried chicken. It was moist. It was crispy. Still had flavor. Go really well with the sides. So the Korean chicken, I had to give it just a 4 out of 5.
A 4 out of 5. Just because it is a good fried chicken. It was moist, it wasn't too dry. The batter outside was crispy, and it had good flavor on its own. You don't need ketchup or anything like some other places.
Marinated beef, oh man. The marinated beef. You can go see our reactions though. You know that one was good. We started eating it quiet because it was so good. Like I said before, it's like little beef bones, man. You pick up the beef, you get you some onions, and then when you eat it, super tender, then it just explodes with flavor in your mouth, but not too overbearing. It's really good. I give that one I'm gonna give it the 5 out of 5.
This one I give like 4.5 out of 5 because I'm a big meat eater, so it was smoky. It was sweet, but not too sweet, and like very savory.
I would say I'm not a very meaty person. So for me, it'll be a 4 out of 5.
So would you recommend this place?
What happened? I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, I would definitely recommend this place. I'm coming back for sure, and I'm bringing my group of friends, other group of friends, to come with me too.
Yeah, okay. I would definitely recommend this place. I will come back with my own group of friends. Not saying you guys are not my friends, but.
Me and Fee, we over here with the soju, dap me up. Soju is really good. This gets always alcohol, whatever, always gets the 5 out of 5. And that's my review. Highly recommend the place. I'll be back, not with friends, because I don't have any friends.
That was dish.
The dish.
The dish?
Yeah.
Dish.
The dish.
I definitely agree with that sign that says best Korean
Food in town.
food in town.
They lived up to the name.
Yeah.
Or at least we have so far.
So all 3 of us, all 4 of us, especially our cameraman, definitely recommends coming back to this place. But you don't walk into the street.
That's why we should stop walking, so you don't have to. But first we gotta thank our guests. Thank you, Phoebe, for joining us today.
Thank you, Phoebe.
You're welcome.
Lovely Phoebe. Come back.
delicious.
You're welcome back at any time.
Awesome.
Yeah. But
Whenever I get the invite, I'll come with you guys.
that was the dish. Make sure you hit the like button, not like the like button. You like the like button, so you can like a future like button.
Like the button?
Yeah. Hit the subscribe and tickle the bell.
Yeah, definitely hit the notification bell so you can keep up with all of our future episodes. And are we gonna put our old videos in the description box, or you can go on the channel, go in the description box, you'll find it. You know how to work YouTube.
We'll still put a box there. Just click it.
Yeah.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend